Good afternoon, welcome. This is JAMB year 2020 Government Objective Pass question. Question number 10. The question here says the upper house in most federal systems is created to dash. The upper house in most federal systems is created to dash. That is the purpose of creating upper house. And when we talk of upper house is a feature of bicameral legislature. That is, in bicameral legislature there are two houses. We have the upper house and then we have the lower house. So what is the essence of this upper house? And of course, in Nigeria, the both house is called National Assembly in Nigeria. National Assembly. And the upper house is also known as the House of Senate in Nigeria, and the lower house is known as House of Representatives. So option A say oversee and check the lower house. Option B say prevent excess of the executive. Option C say enable experienced elders make inputs to government. Option D says ensure equality of federating units. All right, ensure equality of federating units. And of course, option D is the correct answer. Why? In Nigeria federating unit or federal system, we have 109 senators. 109 senators. And the calculation for this 109 senators is that we have 36 states in Nigeria, right? And each state produce or elect 3 senators. Mathematically, 6 times 3 will give us 18. Then 3 times 9 will give us 9 plus 1, that is 10. 108. Then one senator representing federal capital, that is 109. So each federating unit has equal number of senators that will represent their state, irrespective of the geographic the population in that state or in each geographical unit. Irrespective, each state produce 3 senators or elect 3 senators. So, and the essence of this is to ensure equality of federation, that is equal representation, unlike the lower house where we have 360 House of Reps and there is no equality or calculation for this. But this House of Reps is based on the population or the land mass that a particular state covers. But for that of the upper house, the essence is to ensure equality of federating units. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.